Hey everyone, welcome to my channel SAP Learning Studio by Alex D'Souza. This is the first video of our ABAP Cloud series. So this one is intentionally a bit theoretical. The idea here is to build a strong conceptual foundation. As we move forward in this series, the videos will become more practical. We'll work with RAP, ABAP CDS, real hands-on examples and actual development scenarios. So let's first understand what is ABAP Cloud and why does it exist. So what is ABAP Cloud? ABAP Cloud is a modern development model to build cloud-ready business applications, services and extensions on SAP platform. And this is very important to clarify. ABAP Cloud is not a separate product. It is not a new programming language. It's a development methodology, a structured and regulated way of developing ABAP applications in the cloud. You use ABAP Cloud within the platforms like SAP S/4HANA Cloud and the SAP BTP ABAP environment. Why ABAP Cloud? ABAP Cloud was introduced with a clear goal to ensure applications are scalable, upgrade stable, and future proof. In the cloud systems, the upgrades are frequent and unavoidable. ABAP Cloud ensures your custom code survives these upgrades without any breakage or rework. So here is the technical foundation. ABAP Cloud is built on 5 core technical pillars. So let's go through them one by one. The first one is RAP, RESTful Application Programming Model. RAP is the blueprint for transactional application development in the cloud. It defines the entire architecture, the database model, the business logic, the service exposure, everything is model driven and structured. RAP ensures performance and upgrade safety. The next one we have CDS or the core data services. CDS is used to define semantically rich data models. It runs directly on SAP HANA and supports high performance data access, usable data definition, analytical scenarios. In ABAP Cloud, CDS is the foundation of data modeling. The next one we have is cloud optimized ABAP language. ABAP Cloud does not allow unrestricted ABAP usage. It uses restricted language versions like ABAP for cloud development. Only a safe subset of ABAP statements is allowed. This prevents risky coding patterns and ensures long-term stability. The public released APIs. In ABAP Cloud, developers cannot directly access any SAP tables or modify SAP objects. Instead, you must use the public released APIs. These APIs act as a stable contract, ensuring that the custom code remains upgrade safe. And the last one we have is ADT, ABAP Development Tool. All the ABAP Cloud development is done using Eclipse based ABAP development tools, also called as ADT. ADT is the central IDE for development, testing, analysis and lifecycle management. In the upcoming videos, I'll show you how to install Eclipse, how to install ADT on Eclipse and how to write your first program on ABAP Cloud. So stay tuned. So here's a blueprint of RAP. RAP brings everything together into a single architecture. From database design to business logic and service exposure, RAP ensures best practices are followed by default. That's why RAP is considered as the architectural backbone of ABAP Cloud. So here are a few core principles how ABAP Cloud works. ABAP Cloud isn't just about tools, it's about how you develop. So we have clean core and separation. So ABAP Cloud enforces a strict separation between SAP standard code and custom code. Direct modification to SAP objects are not allowed. This keeps the core clean and ensures smooth, predictable upgrades. The built-in qualities. Important cloud qualities are built in directly into the development model like extensibility, scalability, testability, documentation support. These are not optional, they are enforced by design. The 3-tier model. In SAP HANA Cloud, Private Edition and on-premise system, ABAP Cloud exists with classical ABAP using the 3 tier, whereas Tier 1 is strictly reserved for pure ABAP Cloud development, helping organization move towards clean core. So here's a quick comparison between the classical ABAP versus the ABAP Cloud. In classical ABAP, you had direct SAP object modification, which led to risky upgrades, unpredictable breakage, and it had a high maintenance cost. Whereas in ABAP Cloud, you use public APIs only. It is upgrade stable, it's a clean core architecture, and all the applications developed are future proof. So ABAP Cloud supports 3 main development scenarios. The first one is transactional, the second is analytical, and the integration. Applications that can be created, updated, or deleted, like or to delete just the business data, fall under transactional. Analytical reporting, dashboarding, KPIs, and multi-dimensional insights come under analytical. System to system communication and data exchange is nothing but the integration. So here I have an example. So think of ABAP Cloud like a building on a rented land. In classical ABAP, the developers used to drill down into the foundation by modifying the SAP codes, making it dangerous. Whereas in ABAP Cloud, there are approved tools like RAP and CDS. There are safe connection points via APIs. You can build strong and powerful extensions without even touching the foundation. So here are some key benefits like 100% upgrade safety, zero rework after upgrades, clean and maintainable architecture. This significantly reduces long-term maintenance cost. What all you gain with ABAP Cloud is like it's future proof, faster innovation cycles, it has the cloud native capabilities without losing your ABAP expertise. So guys, are you ready to build with ABAP Cloud? Let me summarize. Now you understand what is ABAP Cloud and its methodology. It's not a new product, it's 5 core pillars, the clean core principles, the supports, and the use cases. In the upcoming videos, we will dive deeper into RAP and build your first ABAP Cloud application. So stay tuned. If you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.